Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add manual supports in the Elegoo slicer. Now it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that I'm going to do is to actually add my model first. And now of course we want to head over to the supports category, making sure that the enable supports is checked. And under type there will be this four options. Just choose either normal manual or the tree manual. I'm also going to change the style to the tree slim. And to finally apply your supports manually, you just want to click on your model first, so you will be able to get these options, and then you want to navigate through the support painting. Basically there's two functions. You can also edit out your tool if you want to, but to finally initiate the process, you want to use left click in order to apply this green markings. This basically means that supports will apply to these specific areas. And now if you want to use the other function, which is the support blockers, which is really self-explanatory, it will block out supports from appearing. I'm going to apply it onto the wings right here, and same thing with the face. And now if we click on the slice plate option, we can see that we have successfully applied our supports manually on the tail section and under the head right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.